Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. This is the structure of DOM which is displaying on your screen. In this structure HTML is the main root which of child roots or branches called head or body.
The child root of head is title and the child roots of body are heading H1 paragraph P. Index.html file with this name called document on web page. This all under the HTML are the elements including head body title heading or with the help of JavaScript DOM can access or manipulate elements. JavaScript can also change the elements tags or attribute. Shortly, I can tell you the difference between elements attribute or tags. Elements are those which consist of start or end tag. The text between these tags is called the element. Tags is used to mark up start or end opening or closing. These are the elements which I am marking blue. Or these are the tags, which I am marking blue. Here are the attributes, with width, height, or pixels.
In DOM, D stands for document, O stands for object, and M stands for model. Document is a file, object contains tags or element, and model contains layout structure. One more thing about DOM is that you can preview DOM model online. Open your browser and search DOM Viewer online. And click the first link, and here you can see the whole structure of DOM.
Now go to Virtual Studio Code and copy the program you made. And paste it in DOM Viewer online. So here you can see your program in form of tree or in a tree view. Let me give the live example. As you can see, we opened the web page. All the buttons showing here are the elements. If you want to see the DOM tree, you just have to right-click on any button or click Inspect. Here you can see the DOM tree. You can also create change on a website with the help of DOM. Let example, we have this page. There is download button showing here. If we right click on it and go to inspect, so if we change the download text, so here you can see the change. This all is happening by creating change in JavaScript. This is all DOM can do with help of JavaScript.